How to set up OBS virtual camera. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'll be showing you the ways to set up OBS virtual camera. To do this procedure, let's begin with the video. So first of all, open up your OBS Studio. Then you will be taken to the home page, which will look something like this. In order to set up a virtual camera, first of all, you need to go ahead and create a scene. So click the scene button, and underneath you find the plus button. Click on it and give a name for the scene. As you've done it, so click the OK button, and then moving on. What next you want to do is you have to go ahead and add the source as well. So click the icon at the bottom of the page under the source. Once you've done it, so here a pop-up menu will appear. So from the pop-up menu, you want to go to display picture. Once you click on display picture, you have to go ahead and give a name as well. Once done, click the OK button. As you've done it, so now you want to go ahead and select the capture mode. Once done, you'll be directed to the home page once again, or the same here. Then you have to go ahead and click on the source once again. Once you go to source, now from the pop-up menu, what you have to do is click on video capture device. Once you click on video capture device, over here you need to go ahead and select HD webcam or your current webcam. Once again, you need to go ahead and select your current cam, and then you want to go ahead and adjust the size from the top of the screen. Once done, you have to go ahead and make changes with that and here, and also before that you're going to click on start virtual camera. And once you've done it, so next thing you want to go ahead and open up the application. So I'm going to go with the Discord. So open up your Discord, select the server and follow the prompt. This way you'll have successfully set up OBS virtual camera. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.